Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform, which is GetScreen and GoTo Resolve. So let's get started with a quick analysis. GetScreen in 2025 is known for being extremely lightweight, simple to use, and making it a great for quick browse-based remote access without needing installation. It's perfect for freelancers, small teams, or IT support who want a fast connection without complexity. However, it lacks advanced features like ticketing, full device management, or enterprise-level security option. Talking about GoTo Resolve, on the other hand, is designed for IT teams, and businesses needing a full-scale remote support. It includes a ticketing, device monitoring, remote execution, and a zero-trust architecture, making it much more robust. However, it's heavier. Takes more time to set up and may feel overwhelmed for just needing a quick access. So here's the bottom line. So you can simply go for GetScreen because of the fast and the simple remote access with no frills. But on the other hand, you can go with GoTo Resolve if you want a professional IT tools, security, and a deeper remote support features. And that's it.